Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to reset the password for your PlayStation 5 account. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So I have multiple accounts on my PlayStation 5, and I want to go ahead and reset the password for this account. When I go to sign in, I can't sign in because I can't remember my password. So I can log into my account and I can still play video games. However, I can't sign in and check my PlayStation friends or play online. So on the home screen, if I scroll up to the top and then go to the right and select this option, and then I go down to users and accounts, and then just under accounts, if I go to the right, there is a sign in option right here. If I select X on this, and it will bring me to this sign in page. Now, my email address is automatically auto-filled right here under sign in ID, so I didn't need to type that in. So make sure that is correct and verify it, and then I can go ahead and type in the password. Now, if you have your account signed into your PlayStation mobile app, all you have to do is go to resend and then go to the mobile app, and you can verify your account via that way. However, if you look to the bottom right, it says forget password, question mark. All you have to do under the screen is press the triangle button on your controller, and it'll bring you to this page where it says forgot your password. Enter the sign in email address below for your account, and we'll send you a message with a link to change the password. So it once again auto-filled my email address right in here, and then all I have to do is go to next. Then it says check your email inbox for a message from us. Didn't get the message? Make sure you enter in the correct email address for your account. If you sent multiple requests, wait a while and then try again. For a child account, ask your family manager to reset your password. Okay, now let's go to OK. Now on my computer, under my email, there should be a way to reset the password. All right, so here is my email from PlayStation, and I have a message here that says change password. Let's select this. And it's going to bring me to PlayStation.com. Now, you need to verify your date of birth before you can go ahead and reset it. All right, so I verified my date of birth. Now I can type in my new password. All right, so my new password is entered. Let's press OK. And boom, my password now has been reset. Now let's go back over to my PlayStation 5 and then type in my new password. All right, then go to sign in. And now I can go ahead and look at my PlayStation friends list, and I can go ahead and play online once again. And you'll know you're signed in when you're under account, and you can see all this like sign in ID, security, etc. And it doesn't say sign in under users and accounts anymore. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.